Hi, my name is Kaviytha and I'm an associate at Clark Hemmerling Lawyers. The residential property market is booming and there are currently many interested in purchasing a property. So today, I'd like to share with you my 5 legal tips to keep in mind if you're looking to purchase a property. Tip number 1. Obtain a building inspection report before you enter into the sale and purchase contract so that you can negotiate a reduction to the purchase price or for the vendor to undertake repairs at his or her cost, especially if major and expensive work is required to the property. Number 2. If the property is subject to a residential tenancy agreement, inquire about the terms of that agreement, as a residential tenancy will not terminate when a property is sold unless the tenant agrees. Number 3. If the property is subject to a strata title, request that the vendor provide you with the information such as the minutes of the corporation's meetings, copies of its accounting records, and particulars of any contributions payable by the owner so that you can understand your financial obligations to the strata corporation should you purchase the property. Point number 4. If purchasing a property that is subject to finance, ensure that the special condition clause within the contract specifies a reasonable interest rate which you are willing to pay and does not simply say at market rate. And lastly, before executing the contract, be very clear if a cooling off period applies to you and if so, when it expires. If you wish to terminate your contract without incurring any penalty, it must be done within the cooling off period. Now, the purchase of a property is a big investment and we encourage you to seek advice from a legal professional before you sign and enter into a sale and purchase contract. I'd be most happy to review your contract and advise you of any risks, so please give me a call at Clark Hemmerling Lawyers.